So I need to graph this information. I need to make sure that I put the labels on my, at least using the units, on my axes. So hours and miles. Hours would be the independent variable because the number of miles I've gone depends on how long I've been traveling. And you don't need to write yours this way. You could turn it sideways and write miles this way. I just can't turn this sideways. Now, I need to get over to positive 7 for hours, so there's absolutely no reason. And I should be able to, on these graphs, always, the ones you did in this section, always put your axes right here so that the origin is down here in the left-hand corner. And those did not go where I wanted them to, so let me do some quick adjusting here. It's a little bit harder to do this than it is with a ruler on a piece of paper, getting everything in the right spot. Okay, so I have my axes drawn in. Since I only need to get over to positive 7, I really should go by ones, because I have all this space. Notice again, I'm directly below the grid lines with my labels. Now I need to get up to positive 220. I'd rather not go by 50s if I can. So if I have 11 squares here, I could go by 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I can do that. So I'm going to go by 20s to get to 220. When I can, I like to use as much of this graphing grid as possible. And it's kind of hard to do this while talking. So, but you don't want to scrunch this down if you don't need to. So I can spread this apart by going by 20s. Again, right next to the graphing line, the grid line. So the point 2, 220. So 2 and then up to 220. 4, 140. And the last is 7 and 20. Now, this is a linear relationship, so if I did this correctly, I should be able to draw a line that goes directly through all three of those points.